So how do you assign an action plan that you've created in your account to one of your fellow teammates? When you come into your action plan and you have created an action plan template, which we do go over in a previous video, you'll come up into here where it says plans, and you will create a plan. So this is assigning an action plan directly to a member of your team. When you come into assignments, you will click on this drop down and it will give you all of the users that are in this account. In order to assign a Supered action plan to a user, they do need to have access to your Supered account. So come in here, we'll assign that, we'll create the plan, and that will give them access to your action plan within their Supered account. When that does get assigned, they will receive a notification from Supered up in the notification center, as well as an email sent to them that they have been assigned an action plan in Supered.